Hi there and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. Today we are diving into something super exciting, how to create an outstanding banner for your WordPress website using Elementor. So let's get started. So first of all, let's log in to our WordPress dashboard. I already logged in my WordPress dashboard, and now if you don't have Elementor installed yet, just go to the plugin and add new plugin, search Elementor, and just click install now. After installing, we will activate it. Okay, our Elementor activate in our WordPress website, and now I will take a page, just create a new page. Okay, I will give the page name homepage banner, and now I will click this edit with Elementor. Okay, now we are in the Elementor editor. This is where the magic happens. To create a banner, we will start by adding a new section. Click this plus icon and flexbox and first direction column. Just now we will set the height, minimum height, adjust the banner your desired height. I usually go with around 60 pixel, sorry, 600 pixel. And now I will give this container width full width. Okay, and go to the style, set the banner image, just go to the style and background type classic, and select your banner image and give the position center, repeat no repeat, background size will be cover. Okay, great, our background is set. Now let's add some text to our banner. Drag and drop heading widget, we just click Rubik's cube icon, and we need one container, and this container is here, and we'll take this heading widget and drag it and drop, and we'll change this text coconut cosmetic. Okay, now I will go to the style tab and alignment. This heading style is center, alignment center, and I will give the color, text color white, and typography from uppercase, and I will give this text size 85 pixel. Okay, and if you want, you can change here font family. I will give the font family Poppins. Okay, now I will add some text, just drag and drop here text editor. This is the lorem text. I will copy it and duplicate it 2 times, just add more text, and I will go to the advanced tab and give this text with okay, I will just adjust it, okay, like this, and go to the style, alignment center. Okay, now I will select this container, this heading and paragraph parents container. So just go to this justify content center, align items center. Okay, align item center, And now I will add one button, order now. Button text will order now. Okay, I will go to the style and typography, font weight 700 and transform uppercase. Okay, and I will give this button color, background color will be white and text color black. Okay, and border I will give the border solid 2 pixel, 2 pixel border color black. Okay, and border radius 5 pixel, and I will select this text, paragraph text, and give the color will be off white, and I will select this parent tag, which is give the background image, and I will give the background overlay, just select background type and classic, give the color, I will give the color black, and I will give this opacity right like this. Okay, and now I will go to the layout, and now I will give the justify content center and align item center. Okay, and now I select this second container, and I will remove this gap. Okay, just like this, and now we can add some finishing tasks like animation. Just select this one and go to the advanced tab, motion effect. Here I will give some bounce. Okay, no, but not like this. Oh, like this, rubber band, bounce, rotate, flash, swing. Okay, this one is good. And now I will give this text motion effect. Go to the motion effect, and here fade up, and I will give this bar tone motion effect, bar tone motion effect is bouncing. Okay, like this. So let's see, our banner looks cool. This is the very simple way to make banner using Elementor, and there I have it a beautiful custom banner for your WordPress website using Elementor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumb up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.